Hello everybody, today we're going to make delicious fudgy brownies that you can make at home.
Preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Now let's melt 1 cup of butter. Make sure to take out the butter every 20 seconds and stir, or else the butter is going to be stiff at the bottom. You have to stir the butter at least 3 times. Sift 3/4 cups of cocoa powder, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of instant espresso. It's optional, but you can add it so then you enhance the chocolate flavor. Whisk a lot until the sugar dissolves to achieve the perfect crispy crust. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 large room temperature eggs. The eggs help dissolve the sugar. Once you combine all of the ingredients together, You stick 2 fingers in the batter, you rub them together, and if you don't feel any type of sugar or some rocks, well, you're good. But if you don't, whisk a lot more because or else you're not going to achieve that crispy crust. Now let's add the flour and the walnuts. You can add chocolate chips, walnuts, toffee, almonds, a lot more. The topping you like. And remember to fold gently. Now let's put the parchment paper on the tray. We measure it and we cut the size. It's optional, but you can add some butter on the edges so then the parchment paper sticks to the tray. Now let's add our batter to the tray. When we finish adding our batter, we smooth it out with a spatula. This is optional, but before putting your brownies in the oven, you can add a sprinkle of sea salt to achieve that sweet and salty flavor. Now let's put our brownies in the oven. You put them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 45 minutes. You know it's ready when you insert a stick in the middle and it comes out with lots of crumbs.